The process with Spoonflower was really eye-opening for me. Personally, I had never worked with Spoonflower before. And when we went to Spoonflower and said, we fell in love with this paper that had dogs on it. It was Judy of Shop Cabin. It was her print. We said, but there's a little bit too many flowers on it. The colors may not be just right. We were repurposing some of the cut velvet fabric that we already had in stock. What can we do? And within days, Judy had gotten us back this wallpaper in colors that all I did was send her a picture of this fabric. It was like a swatch. And she reimagined the paper and redid it for us with this mid-century theme that turned out beautiful. And then Spoonflower said, okay, great, done, it's yours.
You know, as a designer too, it's fun, right? So to have half a dozen things to choose from and try to pull it all together, and then that's when I realized that this was the one that I wanted, because it was an easier thread to pull to get all the elements together. Working with Spoonflower, it was almost too easy, because then it made my job harder at the end because I had all these beautiful things to choose from.
I fell in love with this pattern by Danica. It was the background color, so happy and cheerful. The design is unique and whimsical, but also very sophisticated. So I knew it would be a great background for other pieces I had chosen for the room. And you know, there were various background colors I could have chosen, all beautiful, and I just fell in love with the light blue, again, just to give a happy and cheerful background for the space.
We fell in love with Crystal Whalen's pattern for the wallpaper. It was kind of fun. We narrowed it down and we brought all the options. We ordered samples, we brought them into the team and had our whole team participate in picking and narrowing down the selections. We landed on Crystal's pattern for the wallpaper and just loved that it was a beautiful neutral texture. The woven pattern is so elegant and refined, but it has kind of a playful quality to it, and it was just a beautiful background, we felt like, for the more colorful elements in our space.
Green Chair contacted us and let us know that they had this gorgeous little chair that they thought would be great for a nursery. And we said we'd love to do it. We don't get to do nurseries all the time, so we thought, great, this will be wonderful. And then we started reaching out to all the other partners, and Spoonflower, of course, was so generous in offering the wallpaper. And as soon as we saw the dogs, we said, we got our theme. We really did base the whole room around the wallpaper.
Danica was wonderful. I was drawn to her portfolio on the Spoonflower website to start. I really, her designs overall really spoke to me, and she had quite a vast offering. So I worked with her to whittle them down to a few different patterns, a few different colors. The one that I've chosen is not one that was offered readily. She got back to me right away to say that yes, she would be happy to put this color on this ground. And so together we kind of collaborated on something that was just a little bit different from what she had already offered, but really hit the note that I was looking for. And then the Spoonflower team was able to arrange for me to get all the samples very quickly, so they were run right away. I had samples on my doorstep so that I could just continue kind of scheming and coming up with stuff, and then working again with Danica to really finalize what I was actually going to use, which is what you see on the wall, was really easy. She was lovely. She got back to me very quickly. The whole process was really pretty seamless.